Wow, look at that spinning windmill. Explorers, I think I'm in Denmark. Look, today's letter is right there. It's the letter D. Can you say D with me? Ready? D. Brilliant. D says, duh. Say it with me. Duh. One more time. Duh. Incredible! Now let's find our D animals hiding in Denmark.
Huh? Oh.
Shh! Something is moving in those trees. Let me check my scanner. It's a deer! D is for deer.
Oh.
Listen, ear. Your turn, deer. Can you make antlers like a deer? Put your hands on your head and spread your fingers wide. That deer just needed a little help reaching that itchy spot. Did you know deer grow brand new antlers every single year? Can you shake your antler hands? Deer is just one syllable. One big clap. Deer.
Huh, deer, deer. Huh.
Easy, you did it. Shh, something is near that pond. Let me check my scanner. It's a duck. D is for duck. Listen. Duck. Your turn, duck. Can you waddle like a duck? Put your hands under your arms and waddle. Did you see that? The duck tried to quack, but bubbles came out instead. Did you know ducks have waterproof feathers, so water slides right off? Can you shake like a duck shaking off water? Duck is just one syllable. One big clap. Duck. Easy, you did it! Shh, something is jumping in that water. Let me check my scanner.
Huh?
It's a dolphin. D is for dolphin. Listen. Dolphin. Your turn, dolphin. Can you jump like a dolphin? Put your hands together and swoop up and down. Did you see that? The dolphin belly flopped and splashed water everywhere. Did you know dolphins talk to each other using clicks and whistles? Can you make clicking sounds like a dolphin? Now clap with me. Dolphin. Amazing! Denmark quiz time! I'll show you 3 things. Stand up when you see the one that starts with D. Ready? Alligator, deer, bird. Which one starts with D? Point to it now. Yes! Deer starts with D. You are one brilliant explorer. True or false time. Put your hands on your head if it's true. Wiggle your fingers if it's false. Ready? Dolphins talk using clicks and whistles. True or false? True! Dolphins are very chatty. Well done! Ducks have waterproof feathers. True or false? True! Water slides right off a duck's feathers. You got it! Today in Denmark, we found 1. That deer just needed a little help reaching that itchy spot. 2. A duck that tried to quack, but bubbles came out instead. 3. A dolphin that belly flopped and splashed water everywhere. And they all start with D. D says duh. Say it with me one more time. Duh. You found 3 amazing D animals in Denmark today. I'm so proud of you, explorer. Next time Zippy goes to Egypt. Can you guess what animals we'll find? Come back for our next adventure. Bye-bye, explorer.